Yaks may tread the same path, but each hoof leaves a different print. Journeys are shared, but footprints are our own. A tree heavy with fruit bends low to the earth. Humility bears the weight of abundance. If the fire is small, do not bring it closer to the wind. Protect what burns gently within you. The eye that watches the horizon misses the stone beneath its feet. Balance dreams with awareness. A stubborn goat sees no use for offense. Pride leaps and folly falls. Do not count the clouds. The rain will come when it must. Patience walks with time. The snow melts where the sun touches, but the shadow holds its chill. Healing begins where warmth finds its way. An open hand gathers nothing, but it gives everything. Generosity grows the spirit. When the fox preaches, the hens should listen closely. Deception wears many robes. The slow river cuts the deepest gorge. Steady effort shapes the hardest stone. Chasing two hares leaves you with none. Focus catches what wandering loses. A clear sky hides no eagles. Truth shines without clouds to obscure it. If you build your house on borrowed land, do not complain when the wind claims it. What is not yours will not stay yours. The biggest yak in the herd still depends on grass. No one is beyond the need for sustenance. A thorn in the boot halts the journey of a giant. Small troubles ignored grow large. The hungry wolf does not wait for an invitation. Opportunity comes to those who prepare. The bamboo bends, but it does not break. Strength yields to survive the storm. The candle gives its light to the dark, but it cannot share its flame. What burns within you is uniquely your own. When the cuckoo sings, the season changes. Even the smallest signs mark great shift. The mountain shadow falls far across the valley. The greatness touches even those who cannot reach its peak. Each of these proverbs is a seed scattered on the winds of wisdom. Plant them and let their truth take root in your soul.